Subtraction in algebra looks scary, right? But what if I told you it's the easiest thing ever? Once you know the simple rule, it is very easy for you as well. But what is the rule? The rule is minus sign flips everything. Didn't understand? Let's crack it in 3 minutes. Starting simple. So what is 2x minus 3x? So subtract the numbers 2 minus 3, which gives you minus 1 written as minus x. Now why not I are writing minus 1x? Because minus 1x and minus x are just the same. Think of it like apples. If you have 2 apples and you take away 3, you are left in a debt of 1 apple, and that's how you got it in negative. And wait, we haven't started applying the rule. The rule is still not applied. Our rule, which was minus sign flips everything. Now in this scene we are going to applicate the rule and do our calculations. So it's with brackets where you will apply this rule. Look here. 5x minus 3y minus 2x minus 4y. Now let's discuss about the rules. First rule, open up the bracket, and this is the rule where you will apply the rule of which we discussed in the beginning. Minus sign flips everything. So let's look here how it works. 5x minus 3y minus 2x plus 4y. Now see, all the signs got changed. That's what the rule means. Now the next rule is gather the like terms. If you don't know what are like terms, watch the addition video. Then after that you sum this up, you get 3x plus y. So this is the process. And notice how minus 4y changed into plus 4y. This is the game of algebra. Alright, that was easy. But what happens when there are 3 terms together? Let's see. 7a minus 2b plus c minus 3a plus 5b minus 4c. Now we'll follow the first rule, which is to open up the brackets with the rule which we discussed in the beginning, which is minus sign flips everything. So we did it here. Now we'll follow the second rule, which is to gather the like terms, but we will not do it because it wastes our time. So we'll directly sum them up. 4a minus 7b plus 5c. And this sum, you solve it in comments with the method which we did now. And now you know how easy it is. But did you know the mistakes made by every one of us? Most of the students make this mistake and you are unaware of that. What's the mistake? Let's talk. If you want to know the mistake, check out the pinned comment. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the addition video.